geometrical construction. The book is book 1, exercise 12, exercise 12A, and we'll be covering the questions of that exercise. Now, how we'll be doing it? Before this, I would like you to the requirement. Requirement is that this is a geometrical construction tools. Compass is required, protractor or D is required, ruler or the scale is required. So these are the things which we needed. Okay, is about triangle. Not here. This question number three. Uh, Question number three. This one. Construction of a triangle with two sides, and it says construction of a triangle with two sides and included angle is given. Okay. So now we'll look for this, that how we'll be measuring it. Construction of angle, that AB is equal 8 centimeter, BC is equal 6.5 centimeter, and angle B is 60 degree. First of all, let me show you this one here, and then we'll be working on it. First of all, I am showing you this one here and the question on our screen. This is, you can see here. So before this, we'll be sketching. We'll be sketching ABC. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. They are asking for it. Okay, now it says AB is 8 centimeter. Okay, this is of 8 centimeter. And then BC is 6.5. So it means this must be 6.5 centimeter. And then it says angle B is 80 degrees. So it means this must be of 80 degree. This is not given. This angle is not given. This angle is not given. Only these three sides are given, two sides and included angle is given. So we'll see that how we'll be drawing with the help of this. So first of all, we'll be drawing this length, the bigger length. We'll be drawing the bigger length starting from the bigger length. And then we'll draw angle, and then on the angle we'll draw an arc with the help of compass, which is a radius of 6.5. And then that arc will be joining the third one. So let's see that how it will work. So let's see it now. Now here, if we'll be working for this, and this is a question. Question is there. Question number 3 say it's coming. It's describing construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 8 centimeter and BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle B is 80 degree. Measure and write down the length of AC. So we have to find the length of AC. So first of all, we'll be drawing AB as we have constructed earlier. So we'll be drawing it. So it's the case of when two sides and included angle is given. So first of all, we'll be starting with line. We must remember that we must start with the line. Okay. So now these two are here, and now we are drawing a line here, and then using protractor we will be drawing an angle of 80 degree. Now we are going to draw an angle of 80 degree. So let's check it. 80 degrees there. So we'll be drawing a line and extending it further. Okay. Now we have drawn a line, but it says that from here BC is of 6.5 centimeters. So we'll be opening a compass with the radius of 6.5 centimeter. Radius of 6.5 centimeter, and then we'll be drawing an arc. That arc will be touching the line, previous line here at this point, and this is the point which joins the third line. So this is point C, and now we'll be joining this line here with the third line, which is A. So by joining in A and C, we can see that this is our triangle. Now, with the help of compass, with the help of ruler, we can measure the length of it, that how much is the length of it. So we can see that the length of it is, how much the length? It is of 9.4 centimeter. So this is our answer. Got it now? So anything which is ambiguous in this one? जो clear नहीं है?
क्लियर है सर।
ये हमारे पास स्केल मौजूद है। पहले हमारे पास लेंथ कितनी थी, जरा लेंथ देख लेते हैं हम। क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन है कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्राइंगल एबीसी वेयर AB इज 8 सेंटीमीटर। तो हम AB को 8 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे। हम यहाँ पर लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, 0 से हम लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं और 8 सेंटीमीटर तक। ठीक है, ये हमारी लाइन आ गई 8 सेंटीमीटर तक की। इसको हमने हटा दिया। सो दिस इज योर A and B. 8 point B will be drawing a length of 80 degree. So first of all, where the 80 degree should be, you can see now 80 degrees here. तो 80 डिग्री के ऊपर हम पॉइंट लगा देते हैं। ये हमने 80 डिग्री के ऊपर हमने एक पॉइंट लगा दिया। दिस इज अ पॉइंट वेयर वी हैव एट 80 डिग्री। 80 डिग्री पे एक पॉइंट लगा दिया। एक पॉइंट को थोड़ा सा हम डार्क कर देते हैं। ओके, नाउ यूजिंग द स्केल, सो नाउ दिस इज अ लाइन व्हिच आर ड्राइंग नाउ फ्रॉम हियर। ये हमारी लाइन आ गई, इसको हम आगे तक ले जाते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ वी आर रिमूविंग दिस। नाउ with the help of compass we need to draw a line. We have to draw a compass of 6.5. तो हम here it's of 6.5. ठीक है, इसको हमने कर दिया लॉक and now we'll be putting this here. इसको यहाँ पर रखते हैं और यहाँ पर लेकर आते हैं। Now we'll be drawing line और ये लाइन हम ड्रॉ करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्रीन कलर से हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। चले, नाउ वी आर ड्राइंग इट। We are drawing this arc here and this point where it is intersecting हमने B पर रखकर इसके ऊपर किया। क्यों? इसलिए कि क्वेश्चन सेज BC is 6.5। तो C तो पॉइंट है ही नहीं, तो B एक पॉइंट है जहां से हमने स्टार्ट करना है। सो फ्रॉम B we draw here. Okay, now with the help of this one scale, now this is a point C. Now I'm drawing this with a different color. This is point C. This is point C now. And now with the help of scale, we'll be joining both of the point now. So you can see here, the points are here. Okay. Now we are joining these points. You can see here, this is our line. Now, what will be the length of this? So to find the length, what we'll be doing? We will be keeping this at one point at A, and now we'll be keeping this open and finding the length, that how much length it has. So you can see that it's not be able to extend it further. So it's not possible with this one. So what we'll do? We'll be doing another method. This will be keeping here. This is a point 0. 0 is here, and this is point here. So if you'll be measuring this one, so you can find out that this is actually 9.4. So the length of this is 9.4. Sometimes it may be measured as 9.5, sometimes measured 9.4. So it's up to us that it's of 1 decimal place error, so it is acceptable. So this is 9.4. So like this we can work on it. This is of 80 degree, and this was of 6.5 centimeter, and this one was 9.5 centimeter or 8 centimeters. So this was of 8 centimeter. Okay, so like this we can work on.